I wish people knew it existed. If I say to someone, I'm a food technologist, it's always, what is that? But actually, there's so much that goes on between farm and fork. It's a really important job and no day is the same. There's always a new challenge, always a new opportunity. I'm Gemma, I'm a process support technologist and I'm following my passion. So in my job, I write recipes, I do product informations, specifications, allergen work, and basically make so many cakes that we can feed the nation. I think working in the food industry, you know you're doing something that matters, and seeing the products that I've worked towards on the shelves and seeing people put them in their trolleys like with a smile on their face is really nice. And they say if you enjoy your job, you'll never work a day, and that's what I'm doing.